Let's celebrate Men's Day. Today is the International Men's Day. We all talk about women's many times, but we often do not talk about men's. Today is the day when we can actually speak about men. Women empowerment is important. We all should appreciate that thought. But we also should make sure that the term women empowerment not get misused, because I will talk something in Hindi right now, because when we talk something from the heart, it comes in our comfortable language. I will use some Hindi in this video. So कई बार ऐसा होता है कि जब कोई सेलिब्रिटी या जब कोई बड़ा व्यक्ति इस वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के बारे में बात करते हैं, तो वो दे आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट टेकिंग वुमेन्स अप, दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट जेंडर इक्वालिटी. कोई किसी को ऊपर या कोई किसी को नीचे ले जाने की बात नहीं करता है when we talk about women or when we talk about a man. So first I thought that women empowerment is not needed, because I think women is already empowered. They are strong enough to speak up for themselves. They know their rights and their privileges. But later I thought that maybe 70% of women know their rights and their privileges, and they know how to speak up and where to speak up and raise their voice against anything wrong going on. But there are other 30% of women who are underprivileged, who don't have the same kind of education that the 70% of women have. So maybe they don't know about their rights and their privileges. So the term women empowerment is for those women. We should empower those women. But लोग इस वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट टर्म को बहुत गलत तरीके से यूज करने लग गए हैं आजकल. वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के नाम पे कई ऐसे केस है कोर्ट में जो गलत तरीके से चल रहे हैं. औरतों ने या लड़कियों ने कई ऐसे केस गलत लगाए हैं, कई ऐसे लड़कों और पुरुषों पर, जो कि नहीं होना चाहिए इस वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के नाम पे. एवरी टाइम वुमेन्स आर नॉट राइट एंड एट द सेम एवरी टाइम मेन्स आर नॉट राइट. टू फाइंड आउट द सॉल्यूशन, टू फाइंड आउट द ट्रूथ, दोनों को एक लेवल पे ला के बात करने की जरूरत है. तो हम मेंस डे के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. सो आई डोंट नो फ्रॉम हाउ मेनी इयर्स इट हैज बीन गोइंग ऑन दैट द मेन विल अर्न द मनी फॉर द हाउस and the women will take care of their children and their family. But nowadays this is not the case. Now everyone is independent, everyone can earn money and make a living for themselves. पर ये भी अभी कुछ ही हिस्सों में है. अभी भी 50% ऐसे लोग हैं जो इसी तरह से चलता आ रहा है, और इसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है. There is nothing wrong. To earn money is not a big deal. If man is earning money and woman is running the house, they both are giving equal effort. And if woman is making money and man is taking care of their family and their children, there is also nothing wrong in it. Both are doing the same efforts to make a home. To clear this thought, you should watch the movie Key and Ka, a very interesting movie. This movie is from this era. There is a very strong message in that movie. The only thing that matters between this fight between man and woman is understanding. If one person is understand the other person, there is ये कोई लड़ाई ही नहीं होगी अबाउट वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स. एवरीबडी इज राइट एट देयर प्लेस, बट वी शुड नो दैट वेयर वी शुड हैव टू स्पीक अप व्हेन देयर इज समथिंग wrong going on. Everybody has their self respect. When it comes to your self-respect, you should speak. If you are a housemaker, you should respect yourself. So there are so many myths about men that men cannot cry. पता नहीं कितनी सदियों से ये चला आ रहा है कि men cannot cry. Why men cannot cry? We all are human beings first. They have 100% right to show their emotions. They have rights to show their feelings whenever they feel low or sad. They have right to show off. They can be emotional. It will not make you any less than anybody. And the second is that men should have the good physique. This is also not important. This is also not compulsory. That you should have muscular. Be the kind of person you want. If you want to work on your body, you can. But no one can force you just because you are man that you should be a muscular. You live how the way you want to live the life. पहले ऐसा होता था कि मैन बाहर जाएगा, कमा के लाएगा, and the woman will take care of their family. But nowadays there is nothing like that. You know, man or woman both can earn money, or any one of them can earn money, and one can take care of their family. But जो चला आ रहा है कि men will earn money and woman will take care of their family, अगर अभी भी यही चल रहा है तो there is also nothing wrong in it. If you are happy in that case, if both the person are happy in their situations where they are, so there is nothing wrong in it. Strong body, strong action does not define a man. If you pick up a fight, you cannot be a more man. And if you do not pick up a fight, it cannot make you a less man. Fight cannot define the gender. Women also can fight. Men also can wear a pink. I mean, there is no color in this whole world to define a gender. Anyone can wear any of the color. So the woman is no longer confined at home and the man is no longer confined at work. Nowadays we are moving to being a partner. You just do not show off that how much money you earn. These all are material things. It doesn't matter at anywhere. I am saying this to both men and women, that just do not show off what you do. And try to understand each other. Try to put your feet into their shoe and then think what they are going from. So home becomes home when both do equal efforts. Whether it is being at home or whether going out to earn money. And there is also the myth like only men can pay the bills. It is not necessary. Anyone can pay the bills. Height and weight also doesn't matter. Anyone can be taller and anyone can be shorter. We all are human beings at last. So at last, I just want to say that we all should appreciate a man more. I think we are forgetting to appreciate a man in our lives. Without each other, no one is nothing. So support each other. Try to be with each other. Try to understand each other. And try to live a balanced life. Happy International Women's Day.